Alright, well, you guys have waited long enough, even though it's only probably been like 2 minutes. But here is the new car going to be featured on the channel. My name is Zach Ellis and welcome to my journey. I don't know where I'm going or how I'm going to get there, but I'm going to be tearing shit up every step of the way. Along with a few friends, of course. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be building, modifying, repairing, fabricating, and racing every chance I get. But if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and of course, enjoy the video. What's up guys, we're back out here. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, but kind of the same. First thing I have to do today is I'm doing the front rotors on my truck. They are absolutely warped. I rode as long as I could with them warped, but finally today is the day they have to be swapped out. But that's not what this video is about. The video is not about the truck. The things I'm doing to the truck have to be done for what the whole video is about today, and that is didn't plan on doing this, not this soon at least, but I am going to pick up my new car for the channel. This is a car I've wanted for a long time. I'm not going to tell you what it is, not till we go to get it, which is going to be like in a week from now. But we're going to start the video off with a little bit of truck maintenance, and then we'll get back into actually going to get the car.
Loading, track with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Planted, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty trended the big rock. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle, not everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, maybe like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, riddling. Cycle through these streets, I'm pedaling. Hibernating and boom, she's back again. Oh, cause a little fire on the track again. Turn the music up, vibe like a night.
Alright, so we got the front brakes finished up on my truck. I rotated the tires off camera, and then I just finished up the rear diff fluid change. So that means we're ready to go pick up the new car. A friend of mine picked this car up like a month ago on a trade, and he was like, yo, if you want it, you can have it. So that means the next time you're gonna see me, we're gonna be headed south to go pick up my new car. I'll see you then. What's up guys, we're back out here now. Fast forward like a week since I last had the camera up. We're about an hour and a half out from my friend Jake's house, who is selling me the new car for the channel. I'm super excited to get this car. I've always wanted it, and it just kind of cards fell into place for me to buy this car off of Jake. He's giving me a really good deal on it, and I can't wait to just film content with the car. Not going to be a race car or anything like that. It's just going to be more of a daily driver, something that I can really enjoy. So I'm going to film a little bit of B-roll of us driving there, and I'll pick the camera back up when we get there.
To fast cars, bad bras, late nights, last calls, alcohol, bad. Just scrolling through the phone log, hit 'em up, all my pick 'em up. We bout to have a time tonight. Sure you keep that burning tuck, cause Nick like to creep low. Say motherfuck the PO and the judge. But if they come with us, just know it's love. I'm saying just because. Yeah. Cause we've been.
Alright, well, you guys have waited long enough, even though it's only probably been like 2 minutes. But here is the new car going to be featured on the channel. This is a 1989 BMW E30 325 IS. So this is the rear wheel drive M20 engine, 6-speed manual, black leather seats, limited slip rear diff. Overall, solid car. This car has a little bit of rust that I have to take care of, which is what I was looking for, as crazy as that sounds. I wanted something that I could mess with. The car runs great. I came down a week ago or so and test drove the car. It ran so well, so I'm excited to get it home, start tinkering with it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. So stick around, I'm gonna get this thing loaded up and we'll head back to Pennsylvania. In the garage now with the E30. Big thing, no, I did not sell the Neon to buy this. I still have the SRT4, it's just at my house. This thing is badass. It is not perfect. It does have things that need to be taken care of on it. Like it has a funny idle. The idle isn't consistent. It wants to jump up and down. The blower motor, I have to swap out the resistor in it, button that all up because the fan only works on level 4 rather than a 1 through 4. It has rust underneath, which I'm going to get into that in the next video, but it has like the battery box back there. I think one spot under the floorboards. I can't remember. And I think one on one of the front corners or the wings. It's missing both rear hubcaps from the BBSs, which really unfortunate, but I don't mind the look without the cap missing. It's okay for me. Sunroof doesn't work. Not a real big deal. It doesn't leak. That's the big thing for me. Headlights work. One of the brake lights is out. So nothing super crazy. On the interior is probably the worst part. Seats are torn up. Carpet is super dirty. So the lighting's not great, but seats are all cracked up. I guess I'll have to reupholster them, which I've looked into some videos. Doesn't seem like the hardest thing ever to do, but these seats are not in the world's greatest condition. And then the carpets. First thing, the car is super dirty inside, but we can get that taken care of. Another big one, the horn, or the steering wheel. It is so ugly. So I'm gonna pull this off and see if I can sell it, I guess. If anybody wants this thing. It's a little guy. But start this thing up. Starts right up. No issues. The only thing that these cars are notorious for the speedometer or the odometer not working anymore. This one says 290,000 miles, so I can only assume it has a ton of miles on it. Not that that's a big deal. And then it has rear lights. I got a brake light out. Everything else checks out to be good. It's got aftermarket headlights and a squeaky idler pulley. You can hear it a little bit. So aftermarket headlights. That's really everything. You can hear the pulley squeaking a little bit, so I need to get a new one of them. I don't know if you heard the exhaust chopping right there. The car starts to whoop, 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 like almost like it's got a big Lopi cam in it. I got to figure out what that is all about, and then I have to do a little bit of a clutch adjustment, mess with the throttle cable, and we should be good to go from there. But if you guys are as excited as me to see this E30 and see what comes of the E30 and to mess with it and learn about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see all the future videos. And if you guys are knowledgeable on the E30 platform, leave a comment down below on what I should expect, things to look out for, things to do, preventative things, anything that you guys can recommend to me. Definitely let me know. I'll take it, all the information I can get, because like I said, I'm not well versed in these cars, let alone this particular platform. I have made a few friends in the past few weeks because I was obviously planning on buying this car for a while now. So I've made a few friends. They've given me a little bit of advice, but it's always good to hear it from multiple sources to kind of know what you're getting into. But she's clean, man. She looks so good. I love the color. I love the fact that it's a two-door. I just can't wait to get into it, start messing with it. Yeah, shit. Now I gotta sell this thing still. I gotta get rid of it. I gotta get a new title because I lost it. But alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Like I said, hopefully you guys are excited as I am about this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and obviously like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Loading, strapped with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folders. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man, get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Round here, yeah.